Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 277 Center Street for a CO2 alarm going off. It started last night. We have one patient that's feeling slightly dizzy. Parties will keep windows and doors shut and wait outside. 277 Center Street for a CO2 alarm going off. Time of first page is 0640. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 277 Center Street. Your cross streets will be John Street East and Patrick Street East. You're responding for a CO2 alarm going off. It started last night. There is one male patient feeling slightly dizzy. Parties will keep windows and doors shut and wait outside. 277 Center Street for a CO2 alarm. Time of second page is 0640.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledge stage for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will respond in shortly.
That's Roger, car 4.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Dispatch, just wondering, have you advised an ambulance to respond to this location as well?
That's Roger. I just got off the phone with ambulance. They will be attending.
Roger that, thank you.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to 277 Center Street, Bravo plus 5 Belton.
That's Roger. Engine 1, you're responding. Bravo plus 5 Belton.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 is on scene. Bravo will be command and mobile.
That's Roger. Engine 1, you are on scene. Bravo will be command and mobile. It is 0648.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, command.
Command, go ahead.
Made contact with occupants of the home. We do have one male patient feeling slightly dizzy. Fire's doing a vital check. Council shows sending a crew to enter the structure to investigate.
That's Roger. Command, I copy. You made contact with the occupants of the home. One male patient feeling slightly dizzy. Fire is completing a check and sending a crew in to investigate. It's 0650.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, command.
Command, go ahead.
EMS on scene.
That's Roger. EMS on scene, 0651.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, command.
Command, go ahead.
360 of structure in progress.
That's Roger. Command, 360 of structure in progress. It's 0652.
Go ahead, NG1. Roger that. Go ahead, NG1. Roger that. 0 readings on the attic and second floor as well. Entry team 1, call command. I'm just confirming that all the doors and windows are shut, correct? They said the homeowners did say they opened them at one point. I'm just making sure they are all closed. Roger that. 17 in the basement. Go ahead, entry 1. Yeah, roger that, thank you. Is there any way of isolating the individual appliances? Fire dispatch, North Huron, command. Go ahead. Dispatch, you can show, we do have 30 parts per million in the basement of CO.
30 parts per million in the basement, 702.
Go ahead, entry 1. Yeah, roger that. Let's start there. If we can isolate it, and then we'll maybe, if we can do some kind of ventilation. Roger that. As far as ventilation, will a fan be any help? Roger that. The fan will be coming to the Delta side door where you made entry. Entry team 1, call command. Can we do a face-to-face at the point of entrance when you're ready? Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show we have isolated gas to the boiler. We are currently going to ventilate.
That's Roger, Command. I copy. You've isolated gas to the boiler. You are currently ventilating. It's 0707.
Entry team 1, call command. We'll just do a face-to-face. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show EMS is en route to hospital with both occupants of the home.
That's Roger. EMS is en route to hospital with both occupants of the home. It is 0717.
Go ahead. Yeah, roger that. That's with all the doors and windows closed. Entry team 1, call command. Could I just get an update, please? Roger. Go ahead, entry 1. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
Fire has sourced the problem to the CO to the boiler. We have isolated the boiler. We have done a second air quality with 0 readings.
That's Roger, Command. I copy. Fire has sourced the problem of the CO to the boiler. Boiler has been isolated. Did a second air quality with 0 readings. It's 0734.
Dispatch, North Huron command. You can also show we have done a CO and fire alarm check.
That's Roger. You've also done a CO and fire alarm check. It's 0735.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, Command.
You can show the home is being left empty as per the occupants both went to the hospital. Command is terminated. Engine 1 is returned to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, Command. I copy. The home is being left empty as occupants both went to the hospital. Command is terminated. Engine 1 returning to Wingham Station. It's 0741.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show us back at hall, back in service. Could you clear off this call, please, and have a good morning?
Roger, you're back at all back in service. 744. You have a great morning as well. Thank you.